Huli ka.
Ay! Ay!
The beautiful Mel.
Sino mo?
Tell the camera where we're going.
Where are we going?
Okay. You should talk to the camera.
Where are we going, camera?
Pakainit ng taxi. Grab pala. Sino ka dyan? Mark. Ayoko umasa sa paniniwala. Hi guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa... Saan tayo pupunta? Saan tayo pupunta?
Mexico. Mexico. I mean...
Mexico.
Maui, Hawaii. Wala ba yung ano?
Maui.
Ayun.
Siyempre may mga kasama kami.
Dapat
Hi, say hi. Ay. Paano ba yun?
Hi there.
Peter.
Tell the camera where we're going.
Where are we going?
Okay. You should talk to the camera.
Where are we going, camera?
You should introduce yourself first. Introduce yourself first. Kayla. Vlog.
My name is Kayla.
Kayla, say hi na.
Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi.
Kayla. Hi.
Here.
This is the microphone.
Hi to the future. Hi, everyone.
Where did you learn the hi to the future?
We're going to Hawaii. Can you dance here?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're going to Hawaii. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What are you dancing?
How about guess who I'm pretending right here?
Elephant.
What's that?
Let's do ito yung nasa.
Gotta think about it, gotta dream about it,
Hi.
gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel alone. Gotta think about it, gotta dream about it, gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel alone.
Sleeping time na namin. Sleep na kami.
My firefighter.
Hi guys. Day 26. Charot.
Gagaan yan. Ano? town? Or like a,
Yeah, like our little town, like there's PA the Wailea again. Yeah. So welcome, you guys.
so there are like resorts and hotels here, or only the Four Seasons?
No, all hotels and resorts.
There's Marriott.
Across Four Seasons heading back to pick up an SUV.
That's right. Excited?
Yeah.
That's
Wow.
right. All right. You're very welcome.
Hi. Welcome to Wailea.
Well, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Shelly.
Oh, iya, sabihin mo yun. I want you to redo it for me. Ito.
We're finally here. Oh, yes. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Sabi ko saan mo kami dinadala. Pero ang ganda. I'm with my English Air bestie. Say hi.
Welcome to Hawaii.
Dinala niya kami sa scenic point. Thank you, Savvy. Ah! Yeah, wala na yung ano namin. Nasaan yun? Gabi, bago matulog ng mahimbing, lagi-lagi. Behind the scenes. Okay.
I like that nervous look on your face when you're starting to think that you're talking too much. I like how we just met and I'm not even slightly afraid to be opening up. I like that we've been sitting here, hands moving around the clock, and I still can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. You look in my eyes and I already hope this lasts. Trying hard not to jump, not to move too fast. But we could go all in. We could be in love by the end of the night. Sitting here talking.
Okay. We are on the Whalers Village. And yeah, sa Whalers Village kami. Dahil sarado ang Shaved Ice, maghahanap kami ng something to eat.
I think we will see the real Hamza whale.
This is my English Arabasi. English Arabasi!
Kayla, say hi. Kayla.
Right here by your side.
Ah, beach pala to?
OMG!
Papanoorin.
Ano sabi?
Iba yung papanoorin. Yung kubo ko dito.
Ayan, charot. Na-capture sa video. Ano nga ulit?
Yung Fubong brand.
OMG, ulitin mo nga yung masarap.
So na parang sabon, charot.
Hindi ganyan din.
Hindi ganyan
Dapat
yun. Paano?
Kami yan. OMG, ang sarap. Ito pa.
Alam, pinuot kami natin. Ang sarap
Happy pa si Gipe.
Libre niya.
Ah?
Ipatas.
Eh.
And I still can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. But we could go.
Hey, thank you so much.
Sa'yo yan, or ako? Hindi na mabigyan. Ikaw?
Dapat ganito. First. Tingnan mo may sira. Oh.
Gagamaps yan. Gusto?
Map yan.
Ang Hawaii. My gosh, di mo alam yun eh. Hindi tayo nag-video yung gumagano'n doon sa kung saan ka pumunta yung nakalis ka.
Pindutin mo dun sa screen.
Ganun talaga, kailangan nakaganito.